Here I have a 1985 Lamborghini Countach 5000 QuattroValvole. This video is going to be an in-depth tour and review of the Countach. I'm going to give you as many specifications as I can about the car. I'm going to go over just about every detail and whether it's styling or feature-wise with the car. I've also got a startup clip segment and drive off that was provided by another YouTube user that recorded it a couple weeks before I came actually to the dealership. It is a mid-engine rear-wheel drive car. Its curb weight is about 3,285 pounds. This is also the European specification, and this particular one has about 46,000 kilometers. It's got a 5.2 liter V12 with 48 valves and 4 valves per cylinder, dual overhead cam. The horsepower of the car is rated at about 455, and the torque is rated about 369 pound-feet. Couple other little interesting tidbits. The horsepower to weight ratio is 6.4 pounds per horsepower. This is a manual transmission car. It has 5 gears. Based on reports I've seen, only about 325 of these Countaches were produced back in 1985. This particular one started its life out in Germany. Couple performance details for the Countach. 0 to 50 miles per hour is in about 3.8 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour is 4.8 seconds. 0 to 100 miles per hour is 10.4 seconds. The standing quarter mile is about 12.9 seconds, and top speed is rated at about 298 kilometers per hour, which transfers over to 185 miles per hour. Another pretty interesting feature that I think I failed to mention earlier was the addition of the downdraft carburetors. This car has 6 downdraft carburetors, which was a first for the Countach back in the day, and with the addition of these new carburetors, it increased the size of the engine bay, the little hump that you see right at the back of the rear window, which decreased a little bit of visibility in the back. Stitched leather on the dash. Manual windows. That works.